Okay, at this time we're going to be looking at the intertonal movement as we can apply in our harmony now to our tunes. This is a fabulous technique, and you really want to get comfortable with it. The way we're looking at this page is the third moving to the ninth. Okay, so what you're doing is you're adding the ninth quality. It says here, left hand, play the 1/7 with added in a movement on beat 3. Okay, and right hand harmonize with the third and resolve to 9 on beat 2. So the left hand's dropping in a movement on beat 3, and the right hand's dropping in the 9 to the third and resolve to the 9 on beat 2. Now, it could be reversed as well. It may reverse this application. Okay, so watch this very carefully. This is a really very interesting application. And then when we get to the bottom of the page, the active melody application, it's a little bit different. So we have to watch how this is going to be placed on the ands of the beat, so that you're actually dropping in like eighth notes. We'll show you in a minute. Okay, here we go. So we're starting off first with all dominant 7 chords right here, and you're going here from C7 on 1/7 and the melody in the third. And then what we want to do on beat 2, we're going to drop to the 9 and the 5th. You get that? And then we got to the 9. So what you're doing is you're grabbing the third, then you go to the 9, then the 5th. The idea? Same thing applied to the minor down the bottom. Really pretty movement. To the 9. Get that? So isn't that nice? So you really have a really nice quality here of how to bring it in. Okay, now you're going to take this same thing and you can reverse it. So you can go 5, 9 to the 9. Then you can put the 5th here and then the 9. Get it? Understand? It's beautiful, and it really gives you a nice conception of how to keep the time moving and at the same time really get you to know your chords. Okay? Now, in the bottom of the page here, active melody. Watch this. This is where it gets a little bit complicated. Okay? The flat third resolves to the 9th on the and of 1, like this. Left hand place added movement on beats using chord tones. So you can go like this. Be like 1 and 2. Yeah, you gotta move it in quick. And you can put that left hand drop on beats 3 or beats 4. It's kind of nice on 3. I just did it on 4 there. Okay, let's do it again. If you wanted to try to place the 9 on, no, I think I would do it on the initial compression, on the and. Here. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4. Isn't that great? Now, this particular page, I think you're going to find it to be a wonderful way to introduce the 9th, which is the very powerful part of chordal harmony. It gives you a really rich color. As you can hear there, when you add the like E minor 7, and you add the 9 to it, and then the 5th, you're really playing a very mature sounding chord. I mean, this is something that professional players use all the time, and I think you're going to find it to be a really nice thing to have in your pocket to use. And you're going to be able to add the ninth now in a very controlled manner. You know, you're playing with a chord, 1/7, the melody, and the 3, then you're dropping the ninth in. It's functioning as an inner movement, which is adding interest and quality, that interest and quality, and then you're, you know, by putting the ninth in, you're really you're adding to the overall texture of the chord, really giving it a really nice nice sound. So enjoy this. Be very careful on the initial placement. If the melody starts becoming active, you got to remember to hit it on the and, okay, and to get the full impact of this. Okay, enjoy.